Hey, what's up? In this video, I want to show you 3 things that I absolutely love about Framer. Let's go. Number 1 is the preview mode. So if you're in the Framer designer and you want to preview the website that you're building, you can obviously click right here in the top right to preview. But there is actually a faster way. There is a keyboard shortcut that lets you do that. That's Control P if you're on Windows, Command P if you're on a Mac, and that takes you directly to the preview mode. Also, you can press again the same shortcut to take you back to the designer, or you can just press Escape. I really love this. It's really fast. Whenever I need to quickly preview my website, just press that, press Escape to come back. Love it. The second thing that I love about Framer is the fact that when you select a text element and you go ahead and change your style, the selection window just stays open even when you select a different text element. So I can make my changes to this element, for instance. Let's say I want to use a heading 3, and then I can select another one and I can choose, let's say, body medium. Super fast. I love that. And finally, the third thing that I love about Framer is how you enter and exit the component edit mode. If you have a component, all you have to do is double-click it. That's going to take you to a dedicated canvas for that component. And if you want to go back to where you were, you can go in here and press on the breadcrumbs. In this case, it's home, and it's going to take me right back to where I was. Or I can just double click anywhere inside the canvas and it's going to take me right back. So double click to enter edit mode, double click again to exit edit mode. Love that. These are small details that are very well thought out by the Framer team, and it just makes the whole user experience that much better. So thanks very much for watching. Stay tuned for more content like this. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more free content just like this. I'm Adi, and I'll see you next time.